Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add staff members to your Shopify store and give them the right permissions. This is useful if you have someone helping you with your store, like a worker, a virtual assistant, a designer, or anyone who needs access to your Shopify account. You do not always need to give them full access to everything. Shopify lets you choose what each person can see and do inside your store. So let's go step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin. Once you are inside your Shopify dashboard, look at the bottom left side of the screen. You should see the Settings button there. Click on Settings. This is where you can control many parts of your store, including your account, users, payments, shipping, and other store settings. After you open Settings, look for Users and Permissions. Click on Users and Permissions. This page is where you can manage the people who have access to your Shopify store. You can see the store owner, current staff members, and options to add new people. Now look for the button that says Add Staff. Click on Add Staff. After that, Shopify will ask you to enter the person's details. Start by typing their first name and last name, then enter their email address. Make sure the email address is correct because Shopify will send the invite to that email. Now you need to choose what this staff member can access. This is an important part. If the person only needs to work on products, you can give them access to products only. If they need to handle orders, you can give them access to orders. If they need to work on themes or store design, you can allow access to that area. Try not to give full access unless they really need it. This helps keep your store safer. You can scroll through the list and check only the boxes that match what this person needs to do. Take your time here and read each option carefully. For example, if someone is only helping you upload products, they do not need access to payments or private store settings. If someone is helping with customer orders, they may need access to orders and customers. After you finish choosing the permissions, check everything one more time. Make sure the name, email, and access options are all correct. Once everything looks good, click Send Invite. After they accept it, they can log in and start working inside your Shopify store based on the access you gave them. If you ever need to change their access later, you can go back to Settings, then Users and Permissions. Click on the staff member's name. From there, you can add or remove permissions. You can also remove the staff member if they no longer work with you. And that's how you add staff members to your Shopify store with the right permissions. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.